In this video, I will be showing how to clean your data in Tableau Prep Builder. So if you open the software, you just need to connect the data first. In this case, I'm going to be using an Excel file. Go and look for the table and open the table. So this table, there are a couple of things that I want to do here. So first of all, the region is not written in English. And then I'm going to do a couple of other things with the table. So I want to import this table into ArcGIS Pro later on. But for now, I want to clean it. So Tableau Prep Builder is such an easy software to manage, and in terms of preparing data sets to be imported into ArcGIS Pro is very effective and efficient. And the beauty about this is that you build models and the input data set stays intact without any change. So you can always come back and do any changes. So here it is, the table. I have selected the National Yearbook for me to clean. Here is the input. It's telling me where it is, and also it's giving me here a list of the fields that the table contains. So what I'm going to do first is add a clean step. And in this clean step, I'm going to do a couple of things. The first thing is I'm going to create a calculated field. So what does this mean? It means that it will create a new field, and within that field, I can perform queries or calculations. So what I want to do is translate all of these regions into English. So I'm going to name the field as Region English. And then I'm going to start typing the code so I can perform those operations. So the first will be, as I said, the field region. And the first line will be if region, and here is showing me the field called region, so I will select it, is equal to, and then I'm going to copy the name of the region. So I have the Excel file open as well, so I will copy the first tuple. Then I'm going to close the quotes. And then I'm going to provide the name in English, which is going to be Shanghai. I'm going to remove the space. I don't think I have space. Okay, I have the first one. So every time that within this column the software finds this region, it's going to do the translation. Next, I'm going to go to the second row. So I have to type else if region equals to, and then I'm gonna select the second tuple or region, and then make sure that it is on quotes. Then, and I'm going to type Yunnan, which is the second region I am typing in here. There you go. And I'm gonna continue doing this for the rest of the regions. So, and then once I finish with all of the records, or at least the number of regions that I want to translate, just because in this particular case, I don't know very well the data set, I want to make sure that else will be review, just in case there's some of the fields again that I missed. So if anything else is not coded, then it's going to appear as review within this region English column. And then at the end, I'm just going to write end. And this is going to allow me to make sure the code runs properly. There's a website where you can find the information in terms of how to code, the functions that you can use, and how to use them. So I'm going to save these. All right. So next, I can also review every single fields. As you can see here, it's already doing the translation. It seems that I cover all of them, because otherwise I would see the word review. And then here I have the region, which is the original column, then year. In this particular case, I don't want year to be a number, so I'm going to change it to string. And then I have other columns that I can also review to either remove. For example, I have, and you can see the distribution of each one of the variables that I have in this table right here displayed in this area at the top of the actual table that is also being displayed. Now all we need to do is this step right here. So I'm just going to add an output, and here I will first look where I am going to save the output. So I will select this folder called data, accept, perfect. And then I will select the type. I want it to be, it can be Excel. And then if it's Excel, I can add the name of the worksheet. How about that? There you go. Okay, let's type it again. So when you type it, you need to make sure that you select create new worksheet, because otherwise it's not going to do it as you saw previously. And then we're just gonna run the flow. Now it is done, so I'm gonna click done. And you will see here in the File Explorer, you will see that I have the output right here. So if I open this file, here is the new table. I have added the name to all of the different, or 714 records I have in all of the different regions. And now I have the name in English.